Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make some sandwiches. In this video, we are going to make some healthy sandwiches. So, let's not waste time and get started. First of all, we need a green chutney. Take mint, coriander leaves, green chili and salt. Make a fine paste of it. Keep it aside. Now we need some oil, capsicum, which is bell pepper, some sliced tomatoes, some sliced potatoes, some cucumber, some onion, and for flavoring we need pepper powder. Pepper powder is must for bringing that flavor in our sandwiches. And finally we need some lemon juice. So now let's get started. First of all, heat a pan, add some oil to it. We are going to fry potatoes, so we need much more oil. So now it's still not hot, so let's wait. Now add the potato slices to it. Make sure the flame is high. We just need to shallow fry it. Keep on stirring it so that it doesn't stick to each other. Now after it's almost done, just take it. It should not be crispy or it should not become hard. It should be still soft like French fries. Now we take a bread. In that we apply pizza sauce, which we made in our previous video. Apply it on both the breads. Here we have used white bread. You can take any bread you want, like brown bread. Brown bread is much healthier than white bread. Now we'll add some fried potato slices, which we fried previously. I'll just add 4 pieces of it. Now next I'll start adding some piece of onion. You can add as much as you want, but excess of it will not be resulting in good taste. So I'll just add little bit. Now I'll start adding some cucumber. Cucumber is mainly used in salads. 3 to 4 pieces of cucumber is enough, otherwise the bread will become wet due to the water from cucumber. Now I'll add some tomatoes and some capsicum in the last. Now add some pepper powder for the flavoring. Don't add too much, otherwise it will be too spicy. Now I'll add 3 drops of lemon juice to it. Lemon juice gives a special taste to our sandwich. And now lastly I'll add some salt. Add salt according to your taste. Now at last we'll add some green chutney, which we made you by making a paste of mint leaves, coriander leaves, salt and green chili. We'll just add 2 to 3 drops of it because it's too spicy. Don't add too much, otherwise you won't be able to eat it. Now I'll cover the bread. Just press it a bit so that it doesn't fall off. Now we'll heat a pan. This is the last step of our sandwich. We just need to fry our sandwich. So now let's wait for the pan to get hot. Now we'll add some oil. Don't add too much. We can also add butter. Using butter will be more tastier for sandwiches. Now we'll slowly and steadily pick up the sandwich and we'll place it on the frying pan. Just be careful that all the vegetables don't fall off from inside. So now put the pan on high flame and just fry it. flip it when it's done on one side. Just keep on pressing all the sides so that it gets roasted. Now we can serve it into a plate. Now we'll just cut it into two. We can have this sandwich with tomato sauce. Now we'll start garnishing it. We can use our sauce like our green chutney and our pizza sauce to garnish it. It's optional. You can try this. This sandwich is much tastier when it's eaten hot. Make sure you don't burn your mouth with it, like it's super tasty, and I think you guys should try. Thank you.